What's up guys, and welcome to another Blokees build series. And for today's video we are going to build Galaxy version Defender. This is one of the Blokees that has the Optimus Prime. So let's go ahead and build it. Let's go. Okay, so on this box we might be able to get the special armor Optimus Prime, special armor Megatron, the special Galaxy type, both Optimus Prime and Megatron, brilliant Bumblebee, glittering Ironhide, Sideswipe, Optimus Prime, the vehicle mode, as well as Bumblebee, Scavenger, Thundercracker, and not so rare class. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this Blokees coming from Galaxy version Defender. This is quite an amazing box because as you can see there's a hologram effect. So let's unbox it in the bottom. So let's go. Where's our handy dandy utility knife? Ta-da! Okay. Okay, so be careful guys, because there are some instances like this one on this box. It is only sealed with tape, and the box has been opened. So I think someone already scanned our card here for this Blokees build, or got the card on the Blokees build. So yeah, I think I bought this from the nearest Blokees store in our area. So let's put the box aside. This is its contents. The Galaxy version Defender 1, Galaxy Shining. So it has the Optimus Prime, the background of the story. It's a commemorative coin. So I think the one that we have here is the brilliant Bumblebee, since it's the one that reflected on the sticker. So let's open the box. Let's go. And we are missing the card from the box itself. Yeah. So as you can see on the previous videos that we had, we don't have anything on our desk. Now we got this huge mouse pad, or like a table cover, from my mom. So thank you mom for giving me this cover here for my desktop setup. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this one. So okay, I think we got the not sure if this would be scanned with the what do you call this, with the this one. It's not a card but rather a hoax, something like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and start building our Bumblebee. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are done building our Bumblebee, and here it is. This is the brilliant Bumblebee that we have built. So this Bumblebee is one of the 12 for the series, as you can see. And just to let you know, Bumblebee is the friend closest friend of Optimus Prime. And on the movies, on the series, he is always close to Optimus Prime. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you happen to like this video, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you would be updated once we get a new video that we have uploaded. So that's it for today. See you guys next time. Peace.